Ryobi's new Lithium and Lithium Plus, our most powerful and longest-lasting batteries ever. So you can knock out that to-do list, all before kickoff. Ryobi One Plus, the one system that delivers more. Available only one place, the Home Depot. Now, pick up a special buy lithium-ion drill kit for just $79. Not playing a DirecTV or Blu-ray and DVD. Extreme. All right.
She's about to do it again.
Ryan Reynolds.